Hello students, so welcome to AK Maths and Science. Today we will begin with the chapter of chemistry, study of compounds hydrogen chloride. So first of all, molecular formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. Its molecular mass is 36.5 and bond it forms covalent bond. After that, here comes electron dot structure of HCl. Here 7 electrons are of chlorine and 1 of hydrogen. So both of them share their electron and forms covalent bond. So here you can be asked a question to draw a dot diagram of HCl. After that, here comes occurrence. So Glover prepared the acid in 1648 by heating common salt NaCl with concentrated sulfuric acid. Lavoisier named it as a muriatic acid. So earlier an acid was prepared by heating NaCl with H2SO4. The acid form was HCl acid. It was earlier known as muriatic acid and in 1810, Davy named it as hydrochloric acid. So hydrogen chloride gas occurs in free state in volcanic emissions, and hydrochloric acid is present in gastric juice of mammals, and it also helps in digestion. So after that, here comes general preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. It is prepared by two processes, synthesis and by heating metallic chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. So first of all, what is synthesis? It means direct combination. Here hydrogen combines with chlorine in diffused sunlight forming HCl, hydrogen chloride gas. So this reaction is not performed in sunlight because it is explosive, and in dark it is negligible. However, in the presence of catalysts such as activated carbon, the reaction takes place even in dark. So this reaction can also take place in dark, but for it presence of catalyst is required like activated carbon, because activated carbon absorbs hydrogen which increases reactivity. So after that, second, burning jet of hydrogen also burns in chlorine forming hydrogen chloride. So now second is by heating metallic chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. So here metal chlorides are added to concentrated sulfuric acid and are heated, and they form salt and hydrogen chloride gas. So first of all, NaCl is added to H2SO4 at a temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius. So NaHSO4 is formed along with HCl gas, and this reaction can also take place above 200 degrees Celsius temperature. But here sodium sulfate is formed along with HCl gas, and also copper chloride reacts with H2SO4 forming copper sulfate and HCl gas. After that, it comes laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. So in laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. So reactants here required are sodium chloride NaCl and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. So it should be concentrated. So here a whole apparatus is shown. So here you can see sodium chloride is placed in a flask and concentrated sulfuric acid is poured through Thistle funnel, and heat is given. Heat is given because the reaction proceeds very slowly in cold, and then HCl gas is formed here, and after that it passes through the tube, and here concentrated sulfuric acid is kept so as to dry the HCl gas. So after that, here it is collected. So here now in jar the gas present is dry hydrogen chloride gas. So here you can be asked questions like that, which reactants are required for this process and which drying agent is used and how it is collected, how HCl gas is collected. So after that, here are the reactions which takes place during the process. NaCl, sodium chloride, reacts with H2SO4 at a temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius forming NaHSO4 and HCl gas. This reaction can also take place above 200 degrees Celsius, but here sodium sulfate is formed along with HCl gas. So next, here is a note. Sodium chloride is cheap and therefore it is preferred for preparation of HCl over other metallic chlorides. So here you can be asked a question that why do we use sodium chloride? So its answer is because it is cheap. And second is concentrated nitric acid is not used because it is volatile and it may volatile along with the HCl gas. Next comes purification of HCl gas. How it is purified? It is purified by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. It is not dried in other drying agents such as P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide and quicklime CaO because it reacts with them. So here next is collection. So how the gas is collected? So it is collected by upward displacement of air because it is 1.28 times heavier than air. Why it is not collected over water? Because it is highly soluble in water. It may soluble and get mixed with water. So here is identification. So when the jar is completely filled with hydrogen chloride gas, you can see fumes on the mouth of the jar. So then you can identify that the gas is hydrogen chloride. So next here are precautions which you can learn because it can be asked many times in the questions. So the lower end of the histopernal must be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid, and Libri tube should be dipped in drying agent like concentrated H2SO4, and temperature is maintained at nearly 200 degrees Celsius. At higher temperature it can also be performed, but here your apparatus which is made up of glass can crack and fuel is wasted. Also sodium sulfate forms a hard crust which sticks to the glass and it is difficult to remove.